Good afternoon, guys. Good evening, whatever, depending on where you are. I want to show you how it's challenging when driving on wet roads here in Texas, USA. Today it's a rain day, rain afternoon. Actually, it is challenging. I hate driving, but we're gonna drive regardless. Always, in this here now, I'm in local streets. At least here you can see. I'll take you to the main road, like the highway, where visibility is limited. So whenever you are in such a road, you need to be very, very, very cautious because visibility is too low. So yeah, come with me. Let me show you the challenge. Okay? Yeah. You're welcome, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly I request you to subscribe and share my videos to your friends, and tell them to subscribe for me. Thank you in advance. Okay. Let's hit the road now. Yeah. I'm driving from Fort Worth. I want to go straight to Mansfield through Highway 360. That's a state road. Yeah. We have federal roads and we have state roads. So I'll take you through a state road, state highway. That is Highway 360. My video might not be clear, but you bear with me, guys. Okay, let's hit the road. Now I'm driving from Trinity Boulevard, and from Trinity Boulevard I'll go and join 360 South on my way to Mansfield from Fort Worth by Grand Prairie, Arlington, and then to Mansfield. Sometimes we joke, we call it Woman's Field. I don't know why they called it what they called it Mansfield. So come with me and see how it is challenging when it's rainy to drive. So you need to be cautious. You need to be careful and be cautious, and mind every road user. And always when you are driving, know that you are the only sober driver in the road. Yeah, okay? Like me, I know I'm the only sober driver right now. Okay, come with me. Let's hit the road. Oh, okay, now we are turning to Highway 360 South. Yes, this is Watson Road or the 360 Service Road. So we are hitting now. I'm joining 360, which will be busier. I know maybe might have traffic at this time, so, or a jam, whatever you call it, whatever name you use. Okay, guys, here we are now, 360. This is 360 South, and when it is southbound, the traffic now is building up towards south because now people are coming from work. It's like more people go to work to north in the morning and south, going south in the evening. but with me I'm going opposite. Okay, let's enjoy, and let me be cautious also on the road. At least now visibility is much better than when it was raining earlier when I was coming to work. Yeah. Okay. Here now, when it is like that, you reduce your speed and drive carefully. Yeah. All right. Now I've left Fort Worth. I'm in Grand Prairie now. Okay. Every city, when you enter every city, they tell you to follow the rules of that city. Follow the speed limit which they have. Every city they have their own speed limit. You have to follow that. Okay. So, as a law-abiding person, I will have to, follow the rules and regulations of the city and the city, the state, and the federal government in general. Okay. All right. Whew, the road is not that bad as I thought, and traffic is moving quite on well right now. I guess later on it will build up. In some cases around this time, the road here the traffic is heavy, especially around 4 p.m. 4 p.m. to 7 is a heavy traffic here. All right. Slow down, you need to start slowing down also. That one means there's traffic involved, so you don't just drive like crazy. That's why you need to be cautious, be mindful. Yes, and above all, put God first. Yeah. Everything will be added unto you. Okay. Yeah. Traffic is moving quite on well, as I didn't expect it to be like this, but I thank God it is like this, because it will ease my movement where I'm going. Because with traffic we waste a lot of time on the road. Yeah. Now when we get here, we'll find a bridge, which is, that's why you see traffic is building up here now, because we have vehicles coming from Dallas and from Fort Worth. Or the exit is here, when you are coming from Dallas, you are coming towards Fort Worth, that's Highway 30 West. And when you are coming from Fort Worth, coming this way, you are coming from Highway 30 East. So both vehicles coming from east and west of Highway 30, they just exit here. That's why you can see we have more vehicles here now. But still, it's not that bad. Okay. So Highway 30 can go to Dallas. Highway 20 goes to Dallas, and Highway 183. Both. When you go east, any of those roads, when you follow east, you go to Dallas. When you follow west, you go to Fort Worth. Those are the main cities, like two old cities in Texas here, around here. That's why we have an airport, which is an international airport, which is Dallas Fort Worth, because it is sitting. Originally, those cities were Fort Worth and Dallas, so they had to come with. They had to share the name. Yeah, that's all I can say. That's all I know about the airport. It's the largest airport here in this region. Yes. Actually, even it is the second largest airport in the world, if not third. I don't know, I'm not sure. In terms of even landmass, it's huge. Okay, now I left the Grand Prairie. I'm in, this is Arlington now here. So I'll continue with Arlington, then I will go to Mansfield. That's where I was going. That's a road trip. This is a road trip. Driving through the rain. See how the road is? It's foggy. The road is foggy. But right now, at least the visibility is much better. When we have when it's pouring heavily, you don't see nothing. At that time, it's you and your home. Yeah. So if possible, if you can, I advise if you can, if you are able to pull and go to some like a gas station. If you are not in a hurry, you can do that, at least to wait the rain to stop. Because when it is raining, it's really, the visibility is poor, and it's dangerous. But sometimes you are caught up in the middle of nowhere, where there is no exit, there is nothing, you have to cope with that, but it's dangerous. So I'm still on Highway 360 South, yeah, going towards Mansfield. Yes. So yeah, you see right here it's foggy. This side here is foggy. When vehicles are in front of you, oh my God, it's really challenging. It's like now there is some rain here. When it is actively raining, that's how the road is. You see, you can't see it there. Now you only follow where your eyes ends. So that's where you need to be cautious with. So So you don't drive you have to go slowly, slow. Because here now, you can't see clearly, you need to slow down. That way, in case of anything, you are able to control your vehicle. Okay? But I say God is above all. Yes. Okay? This 360 here, this one is free. In a few, like in 2 miles, I will join the tollway. 360 Express. Okay? That will the express which you pay for when you want to go quickly. Okay? And you want quick things and easy drive. Gonna dip your hand in your pocket. You pay for the toll. Now the toll road begins here. If you don't want to go to the toll road, actually when you cross that bridge, the toll road begins. Now you don't want to go to the toll, you exit here. That exit you are seeing on my right. That's where you exit. Now this is 360 South toll road. This is a toll road, and the speed limit here, when the road conditions are good, it's 70 miles per hour. See now when somebody is driving in front of me, with that water, I can't see properly. So here now the speed is increased to 70 miles per hour because it's an expressway. There are no traffic lights on the roads here. Unlike 360 freeway or service road now, it doesn't matter, which has some traffic lights. That's why it is slow now over there. But here you go express without stopping anywhere. See 360 South toll. Yes. And here even they don't have a booth like where people stay to pay. Here the camera will capture your number plate and they will send you I'm exiting to this to go to Mansfield. I'm exiting exit to Ragland Road and the Depi Lane. That's where I'm going. And when you exit here, the speed limit at the exit here is 55 miles per hour. So that's how it is. Now I'm off the toll road. I'm joining the 360 South regular one. Oh, it's like a kind of a service road, but it's a freeway now, this one. Okay. Here the speed limit is 55 miles per hour. And on the toll road is 70 miles per hour. So, yeah. So, here, when I exited that exit, the camera will capture the number plate. And they will send a bill to me. Or, if they have my card in the system, they will just deduct the toll fee from my account. Okay? If you have a toll account, they will just deduct automatically. They don't send you any receipt or any bill. They just take care of that. So if you want to see your transaction, it's up to you to log in on your toll account and see how much you paid for the toll. Okay. Now on this side here, I think those apartments are in Grand Area, I guess. You know, two cities, they confuse a lot. Yeah, so when you are turning right, even if it is red, you can turn right if it is safe to do so. The only time you cannot turn right is when the road is busy or when there is a warning sign saying don't turn right on the red light. Over there, then you can't turn. But if there is nothing showing like that, and there is no oncoming traffic, you can turn right safely if you deem it's safe to do so. So this side here on my right hand, it's Arlington, okay, and on the left is Mansfield. Now I'm entering Mansfield. I'm leaving Arlington, okay, and entering Mansfield. Yes, still I'm in Arlington. Yes. Here the speed is 40 miles per hour. Okay. Speed is 40 miles per hour. I think now, after this ride, that side is Mansfield. Yes. And yeah, now I'm in Mansfield, Texas. Okay guys, that's the end of my driving. I hope you enjoyed. There's a school ahead here. I don't want to film in the school, so I'll have to cut my